Hey, welcome to How's the Channel. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how to add nickname on Facebook in Windows 11. Open a web browser. Go to your Facebook page. Click on the account icon at the top right corner of the window. Choose Settings and Privacy from the list. Click on Settings. Select General from the left side list. Look for Name and click on Edit next to it. Look for Other Names option. Click on Add Other Names. Click on Add a Nickname under Other Names option. Type the name and click on Save. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!